The remains of late Mrs. Josphine Udechukwu of Umunya village, Umunya, in Oyi local government area have been laid to rest at her husband's compound. She passed away at the age of 76, leaving behind children and grandchildren and other family relations. Correspondent Emmanuel Chiwata reports.
During her burial service held by St. James Anglican Church, Umunya, a Venerable Marcel Emme emphasized the inevitability of death for all mortals. He described the deceased as a committed and dedicated member of the church and community and an outstanding icon whose life was exemplary.
Oya kababu gisino kama ibe ba na-eruju karịa ebe a na-enwe ọṅụ maka na onye bịa ebe a na-eruju ife ka oya na-agwọ onwe ya n'otu mbọsị oya adịkwala m otu a ndị Igbo si na igwe niile njikọ na ụsụ ndị Sụlụ Igbo si na death is an inevitable appointment everybody must keep.
Eminent members of the society, colleagues, families, friends and sympathizers who attended the event showered eulogies on Mrs. Udechukwu. On her part, Mrs. Ngozi Anashunam, the president of Diamond Mothers at St. James Anglican Church, Umunya, described the late Mrs. Udechukwu as a woman of substance and valor. The children of the deceased, Chief Ndubisi Udechukwu, Mr. Vincent Udechukwu and Mrs. Chinwe Amilo, expressed gratitude for the support received in giving their mother a befitting burial.
My mother, she's a type that's always like live by example. She taught us not to be angry. She taught us not to worship people, just to believe ourselves. Our mother never to believe in ourselves. What to believe? I want to achieve on our own. Not maybe we can achieve on the way or two. So my mother is she's the type that always go for achievement. She can die to make sure that our children are fine.
Very hardworking, very loving. She taught us never to be in the hurry, to gain everything, because I gradually get everything.
They highlighted their mother's disciplined and meritorious life and pledged to uphold the unity and love she instilled in the family. Condolences from sympathizers and friends marked the conclusion of the event. Emmanuel Chiwata for ABS News.